Sugar is sneaky. Let's learn how to spot it on a food label. Remember, it's always best to shop the perimeter of the store where the real whole foods and proteins are found. But if you're gonna buy packaged foods, remember, let's look at those ingredients and let's look for the sneaky sugars today. In this small container, there's 140 calories and the serving size is the whole container. There's a total of 18 grams of sugar, including 13 grams of added sugars, which means 13 grams of this sugar has been added by the manufacturer, which means in this yogurt there's only 5 grams of natural sugar, which probably comes from the lactose in the milk. Ingredients are listed from most to least, so if sugar is the first ingredient, it's the main ingredient in that product. This plain Greek yogurt has 80 calories for the whole container and 5 grams of total sugar. That sugar comes from the milk. There's no added sugars in these ingredients. You can always sweeten it yourself with things like berries and protein powder to keep it high in protein and low in sugar. Another quick tip, don't fear naturally occurring fat. This whole milk Greek yogurt only has one ingredient. When things are stripped of their natural state, there's usually added sugars or unneeded ingredients. Now let's take a look at these 2 chocolate bars. Always look at the serving size. There's 200 calories for only 4 pieces. Sugar is the first ingredient along with terrible oils. There's 14 grams of total sugar in 4 pieces of this chocolate. 13 of those grams from that added sugar and 1 gram naturally occurring. 4 pieces is a serving, but there's 3 servings in this bar, which means the whole bar is 600 calories and 42 total grams of sugar. At least this bar has better ingredients. There still is coconut sugar, and that's the 7 grams of added sugar, 3 naturally occurring from the grass-fed milk. So there's 10 total grams of sugar in half of this bar. The whole bar has 360 calories and 20 total grams of sugar. Sugar on a food label has a lot of sneaky names, and processed packaged foods usually have added sugars. Try to eat less sugar and always pair it with a protein to lessen the blood sugar spike.